Hi, and welcome to Travillion. We're out in the middle of nowhere on the KD, and they have a soda machine out here. And it's only 50 cents, which is kind of nice. So when you're out here watching trains, you can enjoy a nice, fresh, cold refreshment. Delicious.
If you're looking for a quiet mountain hideaway with no cell phone service, this is the Holler for you. Our convoy came to a halt as our friend Wade was experiencing power steering issues with his truck.
Wad, will you tell the world about your new acquisition for your truck?
I've had it for a while, actually. I just never got around to installing it. I did it for him. You know, he's a little special. Sometimes I have to let people know when we're coming through. I enjoy taking Gabe rail fanning quite often.
I don't. It ruins my fuel mileage.
Well, your fuel mileage is ruined anyway. The gigantic, 12-foot wide tires don't help any.
At least I didn't put a toner on a Tacoma.
Hey, my Tacoma is zippy spippy and the power steering pump's going out.
I was about to say zippy spippy is why you couldn't keep up.
It's kind of like a wide load detection sensor, just...
Wade, do you have any more advice to folks who want to become a meme?
You don't want to become a meme. Your entire life becomes a joke to everybody.
Maintenance of Wade 2.0, don't become a meme.
Where are they now, 10 years later?
Another exciting thing about visiting Travillion is the abundance of wildlife, which consists of mostly holler hounds, chickens, and copperhead snakes. These friendly dogs belong to the residents of Travillion Holler and are accustomed to the passing CSX freight trains through the valley. During our visit, many of the canines decided to gather around our dear friend Wade, who was busy feasting on the Dominoes Pizza, which we purchased in LaFollette. Indeed, Wade truly is a living meme.
And Noah gathered 2 of every kind.
After waiting for about 10 minutes, the northbound empty grain train could be heard through the gorge as it approached the Morley Travillion Tunnel.